Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking your channel niche and gear, so you build momentum fast. You log in and choose starter mic and camera, then set a routine, 3 uploads per week. Once done, assign your first quests, tutorials, or reaction videos to earn early viewers and currency. Make sure to activate any boost or newbie multiplier. That increases rewards and speeds leveling. You'll see immediate progress if you follow this sequence, because consistent uploads and the right starter items compound growth quickly. Next, focus on scaling. Upgrade equipment and optimize content for watch time and retention. You complete daily quests and collaborate with NPC creators to trigger algorithm events that multiply reach. Make sure to spend in-game currency on thumbnails and tag upgrades, because visual quality and metadata directly affect click-through rate. Once your metrics climb, enable monetization options and diversify income. Add revenue, sponsorships, and digital merch. Keep balancing upgrades with promotion spending. That trade-off accelerates. To finish strong, you max core skills, editing, charisma, and channel strategy, and unlock elite content drops that yield big view spikes. Once done, set automation. Schedule uploads, enable passive income systems, and deploy bots or managers sensibly to maintain engagement. If things go wrong, first clear cache and relink your account, then check server status and reapply any lost boosts. Finally, if a bug persists, roll back to the last save and repeat the key promotion steps to recover lost momentum quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.